Okay, this is Bayshore Boulevard at the very beginning from Ballast Point, and we're going to take it all the way down to where they have it closed off for the Republican National Convention. Get rid of that problem. They have one of these things up here that just goes off and tells you your speed non-stop. Since I don't plan on speeding, I'm just going to turn it off. So to our right is obviously the bay, and to the left is Bayshore Boulevard and all the buildings. And the buildings you see off in the distance are downtown Tampa, and that's called, those big buildings there in the Hyde Park area, Soho area. This road normally goes right into downtown Tampa, but they have it closed off today. You can only get so far, and then you gotta jump into Hyde Park because they're not letting you into the downtown. Pretty much if you don't have delegate passes, you're not getting in downtown Tampa this next week, unless you have business or some type of parking permits, or you're going to really limit traffic. They even have one of the bridges up that allows traffic up and over in. They've got it opened up. But you can see by the buildings on the left, a lot of high-rise, fancy condominiums, a lot of nice homes. It's quite the impressive road. If you're ever in Tampa, take a ride up and down this thing. It's impressive. Not too many traffic lights on it. There's only a few traffic lights, so pretty much ride up and down it unimpeded. As you can see by the sidewalk, very popular for joggers and walkers and bikers, and I don't know if they allowed rollerblades. I think I've seen rollerblades on it, but I don't think I've seen skateboards on it. I'm sure they don't allow skateboards on it. Okay, now we're on Blvd Boulevard. This one will run right up into the Dale Mabry area. And then now the next one I think we come to is Howard, which brings you into the Soho Hyde Park area. Well, actually, it's really Soho, because I think that's what Soho is South Howard. That's where they got Soho from. So being it's Howard Street, that would be Soho area. And then beyond that is when we start hitting Hyde Park. So now they're telling you to use Howard because Platt and Bridge Street are closed. The wind's kicked up again. I'm going to pick this up for a second because this area through here is some of the really nice houses. There's a house all glass right here. That's some serious glass windows. Some very nice homes. Look at this one here. So again, this is Bayshore Boulevard. Now we're down in the Hyde Park area. All these here are considered Hyde Park. Very impressive. Look at this one here. Huge homes. Okay, now we're nearing the detour. And of course, into this side is all your downtown area. Now we're hitting our detour, so I'm going to need to put the camera down and drive. Now your options are going to Davis Island or into Hyde Park. But downtown Tampa is not an option, as you can see. It is shut down. Alright, so I'm going to shut this off now.